We are at the Flamingo Las Vegas. It's a review of the Habitat Tower. You come in and to the left is the bathroom. All right, got good water pressure in here. They do have plenty of shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, that's for sure. Got the toilet, the hairdryer, pretty big mirror. Now this I actually really like on the back of the door. It's a lot of vintage Las Vegas and Flamingo. All right. Right across here is a closet. This does have the motion sensor light, which I like, clothes hangers, ironing board, some drawers in here. Here's what the room looks like. Got some flamingo artwork, the flamingo lamps, which I think are super cute. Bed is super comfy, just like all the other Caesars properties. Another matching lamp over here. We do have a mini fridge down here. Got a magazine. Cable's okay, got some decent movie channels on there. I brought the flowers. They do have some cheap coffee and coffee maker. You can request water at the front desk. This is a cool little artwork here. More flamingo. Little chill area. Another little chill area. And of course, the view. So we got Las Vegas Boulevard right down here, and then some mountains, and that's it. That is a review here at the Flamingo Las Vegas Habitat Tower.
More details are in the description section of this video. Smash that subscribe button for me for more tours and reviews. Thanks for watching.